Greetings folks, I've been playing around with ELRS 3, the new version of Express LRS, which is absolutely fantastic. And there are a few things I've learned of specific interest to fixed wing pilots. There are some new packet rates and switch modes which are particularly of interest to fixed wing flyers like myself. Express LRS boasts extremely low latency and extremely long range. Now the low latency is not of much interest to fixed wing flyers. We're using slow old servos and models with that are controlled by control surfaces rather than motors. So we really don't need the extreme low latency. The problem with previous versions of Express LRS before number 3 was that not all channels were full resolution. You had to be careful to choose your switch mode and set up so that you would get the resolution you wanted or could deal with. As it was, we had 4 full resolution channels, 1 to 4. One channel is just 1 bit, it's on or off for arming. And the other 7 or 8 channels were variations of a sort of partial resolution. With Express LRS 3, we now get access to 16 full resolution channels or variations as well. So let's have a look at the Lua script first off. With Express LRS, you have to download a new Lua script, and the new modes you can see in the new Lua script. So let's have a look at them. Okay, so we'll push the system button and the new Express LRS Lua script, get that running. Now you can see if we click on the packet rate here, we get a few different options. Starting from the top, we have a new packet rate of F100 or F500. That's the absolute lowest latency at the expense of sensitivity, so less range. Then we get D modes. The D modes double up on the packets, so you can see they're half packet rate, giving higher link quality because they send each packet twice at lower resolution, or at lower sensitivity I should say. And then we get down to the other modes: 500, 330, 250, 150 and 100 Hertz full. Now this one is specifically designed for, or particularly useful for, fixed wing flyers, so we're used to having 16 full resolution channels. Then we go down to switch mode. You can choose how many channels you want. So switch mode of 8 channel. Channels 1 to 4 and channels 6 to 9 are sent as 10 bit at the selected packet rate, along with channel 5 or auxiliary 1 as the 1 bit or arming channel. Channel 12 mixed gives us 1 to 4 full 10 bit. Channel 5 or auxiliary 1 is still 1 bit for arming. And channels 6 to 13 are sent as 10 bit but half rate, so 50 Hertz, which is, you know, what our standard servos operate at anyway, so it's not going to make a lot of difference, I don't think. And in 16 channel mode, switch mode gives us 16 full resolution channels but at half the packet rate, so 50 Hertz. So now I'll show you how that looks in Inav when it's connected to a flight control board. So the way I've set up my model here, I have first 4 channels on the sticks as normal, then the other 12 channels are all just on this slider here, so I can operate all channels at the same time. So at the moment we are on 16 channel. There you can see the sticks working, and there you can see all the other channels, all the other 12 channels, including channel 5, operating at full resolution. What that also means is with the little 5-channel PWM receivers, we now get 5 full resolution channels. So let's have a look at that. So I'm plugged into auxiliary or channel 5 on the little receiver, and we're getting full resolution on channel 5 or auxiliary 1. So now we can change to a different switch mode. We have to disconnect the receiver to enable that change. So we'll disconnect the receiver, change to 12 channel mixed, plug my receiver back in. Okay, we have control back again. So now you can see the first 4 channels, and you can see channel 5 jumping from minus 100 to plus 100, or 1000 to 2000, whereas all the other channels are full resolution. And now finally we will change to 8 channel, and once again we have the sticks, and we have channel 5 1 bit and channel 6, 7, 8, 9 as full resolution. And although it's called 8 channel, it is actually 9 channels, or 8.1 channels I suppose. So there you go, Express ELRS 3 really brings Express ELRS to the fixed wing flyers in all the functionality that you could possibly need. Thanks for watching.